Assalamualaikum sir, I am Kulsum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वालेकुम अस्सलाम रमशा बेटा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा। म्यूट एवरीवन फास्ट।
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा राशिद।
Sir अस्सलाम वालेकुम, my name is Abdullah Had. Sir, what we have to do?
बेटा I am telling you, just mute yourself first. This I am telling you right now.
Sir, tell.
बेटा राशिद म्यूट यार, राशिद म्यूट yourself please. Okay, so today we are going to start page number 28 and 29. Okay. Before that, yes, beta.
Sir, assalamu alaikum.
Yes, today we are going to start page number 28 and 29. Okay. Measurement of Islam, beta. Okay. Measurement of
Assalamu alaikum sir, I'm Cherish Anwar.
Walaikum Assalam. Okay. So today's topic I am writing it here.
Sir, your voice is so slow. Please speak some loud.
Okay, beta, I'm trying. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about
Laboratory thermometer.
audible to all of you.
Yes.
Okay. So okay. So today this is, see, open page number 28.
Yes, sir, open.
Page number 28. Okay. Measurement of area.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will not do these questions which thermometer or mercury is used to measure. We have to do
I didn't assign it, okay, till now.
Okay.
Measurement of area. Okay. What do you mean by area?
From this area, we will know the amount of surface that is covered by the shape is called area.
Okay. So amount means space covered.
Yes.
Space covered is equals to area.
Yes.
Okay. And what do you difference between area and volume?
Volume tells us about how the space is covered inside, but the area tells us what is the cover. I don't know.
I don't know.
Sir, area equals length in the bed and volume length in the bed into height.
Beta, only very few students are there. 11 participants only. Okay.
They were not knowing, sir, I think.
I right now, few minutes before I post on the WhatsApp.
Sir, can you please explain me stopwatch?
Stopwatch. Okay, stopwatch basically it is a use in noting the time, especially in during sports event or during performing some experiment. Okay, it has
Have the timer one.
Okay, as you see in your mobiles also. Okay, stopwatch is there. Okay.
Sir, that is used in maths.
It is used for recording the duration during the sports. Okay, usually, and it is also used in
Okay, sir, I understand.
lab also. Okay, so volume is basically the space. Okay, area, the difference between area and volume is that, okay, area means space covered, okay, and volume means space occupied inside that thing. Okay, what are the
Sir,
things?
I have query.
Yes, please.
Sir, I know what is clinical thermometer when we are having fever. So it is checking our body temperature. But please explain laboratory thermometer.
Okay, basically,
Assalamualaikum, sir. I am
Walaikum
Manisha Mariam.
Walaikum salam, beta, mute everyone.
Sir,
Basically,
I was unable to join. Just now I have
okay,
joined.
okay, mute. Laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer, these are the two types of thermometer. Okay, and the thermometer which we are using for measuring our body temperature is a clinical thermometer, and the thermometer which we are using in our labs, okay, that one is laboratory thermometer. Okay, the marking scale is different in clinical as well as in laboratory thermometer. Okay, the marking in
Sir,
laboratory,
why we use laboratory thermometer?
because actually laboratory thermometer, the marking is different. Okay, first thing is that, and you see experiments can be takes place at lower temperature also, at higher temperature also. Okay, there is a we can measure a lot of temperature. Okay, see from minus 10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade, these are the markings on the laboratory. Is it
Sir,
clear? Yes.
sir, saying that what you teaching, I am unable to understand.
Sir is teaching measurement of area, but we are asking some queries.
Okay, I'm telling you na.
Okay.
You are getting it or not? You understand the difference?
Sir, I am getting. You were
Yes,
telling
sir,
about
I am getting
laboratory
laboratory thermometer.
thermometer.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You were telling about laboratory thermometer.
Okay. So laboratory thermometer, just I told you that it is used in labs. Okay, science labs, and
Yes, sir. In
and
chemicals to test chemicals.
to take the temperature of the experiments, or the temperature at which that we are performing that experiment. And see, the marking scale is different here. Okay, we can measure very precise temperatures
Yes,
in
sir.
clinical, in the laboratory
The
thermometer.
clinical thermometer is made up of plastic, but this laboratory thermometer is very strong because they are checking the temperature
Clinical
of
temperature is also made up of glass also, not plastic always. And please, please, please mute everyone.
Sir, this class 6, huh? The two students are of class 7 here.
Two students of
who?
class 7. Who? Tell me the name.
Salama Ghalib and Anam Sheikh.
Okay. Amma Ghalib.
Anam Sheikh is removed.
And another one is, let me check the names.
Sir, they have leave. They
Okay.
have left.
What's the name you told me right now?
Sir, they left just now.
No, tell me the name.
Syed Salama Ghalib.
Sir, Salama Ghalib and Anam Sheikh.
Salama Ghalib and
Anam Sheikh.
Ana.
Anam Sheikh.
Anam. Okay, beta.
Anam Sheikh.
Okay. Okay. Jazakallah. Okay. So the space covered, okay, that is area, and the space inside a body, okay, that is volume occupied inside a body.
And
Okay.
sir, the space that surround is called perimeter.
Okay, the space around is called perimeter. Is it clear?
And the space.
So listen to me. How you can measure the area of a square or rectangle? What is the way of?
Sir, by scale.
Okay.
Sir, we will use the formula.
But if you are speaking all together, how we distinguish the voices, how we distinguish the questions, they are mixing, and it is difficult to tell anything. Okay, so listen it carefully. That first of all, you should know these units. Okay, conversion factors should be very much clear. Conversion factors should be very much clear. Okay, means 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? Okay. How many centimeters are there in 1
100
kilometer?
centimeter.
Listen to me. I'm telling you how many meters are there. Okay. Suppose that what do you see the unit of measuring the area is, yes, anyone tell me in which unit area is measured?
So we are saying that
मैं restart करेंगे बाद में.
Sir, the SI unit of area is meter.
The meter centimeter.
Meter centimeter.
SI unit,
Meter square,
listen,
centimeter square, kilometer square.
SI unit is meter square. Okay.
What is meter two? Sir, what is meter two?
Beta,
Two means square.
I am telling you now. I am telling you what is here. Okay. It stands for square meter. It stands for square meter. Okay. Suppose that you made a rectangle. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. And this is 2 centimeter. Okay.
किसको?
Beta, who is this? When you multiply this, so for getting the areas, for finding the areas, what you have to do? You have to multiply the magnitude and unit also. Okay, because this centimeter is attached with 3 also. Okay, this centimeter is attached with 3 also. And this centimeter is also attached to 2 also. So whenever you are going to calculate the area, okay, you have to multiply magnitude and the units. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is
6 centimeter.
So this is 6, and when you
Sir, 6
multiply,
centimeter.
listen, when you multiply centimeter and centimeter, it will become your centimeter square.
It's centimeter.
It can be centimeter.
Centimeter is square. It changes
Okay.
into square.
Sir, it's turned to 6 centimeter.
Okay, is it clear? It's always remember, if you forget to write 2, okay, over centimeter.
We multiply 2 units together, so answer will come in square.
Sir, square is length because 4 sides are equal.
Yes.
Beta,
The formula will be length into length.
Sir, you can tell again. Sir, you can tell again. You please mute yourself so that I can tell you. Okay. Basically, why square comes because as we know that we are calculating the area, and for area there should be 2 parameters, 2 dimensions only. Okay. That is, whenever you made the thing, okay, it has 2 things. Either it has length and breadth always. Okay. Okay. Your page in your copy page, it has length and it has a breadth. Okay. Is it clear? Or breadth can also be said at width.
Sir, what is breadth?
Breadth, width of your copy. Okay.
How much back?
Of your copy.
Sir, you don't know breadth?
Width of your copy. Okay. The shorter side called the breadth or width. The longer side of your page or copy is called length. Okay.
Length.
The shortest side of the square is breadth and the longest side is square. Height.
Longest side is the square side is called length and the longest side is called width. Sir, what is hectare?
Beta, first you clear this topic. Okay, hectare I told it already. Okay, when this conversion is going on. Is it clear?
Yes.
You see conversion is there on page number 19.
Page number 29.
listen to me first, okay? So this is clear. Suppose that your dimensions is length is equals to 5 meter, okay, and breadth is equals to 2 meter, okay. Then area of rectangle, what is rectangle? Having opposite figure, having length.
Sir, rectangle is that opposite sides are equal.
Okay, and both the side and opposite sides are equal, okay, or we can say one pair of sides are equal. So what is the area? Then area will be length
10 meters square, length
breadth, okay.
2 centimeters.
So we have to write complete the unit along with its magnitude. Then it is 2. Then
10 meters square.
Then 5 into 2 and meter into meter. So it will become your 10 and meter into meter.
10 meters square.
Okay. Remember this thing. If you forget to put square, if you forget
Sir, 10 meter. Sir, 10 meter.
10 meter square. Always say like this. Meter square is necessary. Okay. As it is the unit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if it is, if we are measuring a centimeter, then the answer will be centimeter square, whatever be the number coming after multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Please
Yes.
Start solving and start revising the conversions also, because inshallah very soon I will going to announce the test.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this thing is clear, beta.
The blank question answers are left.
Beta, I will assign you. Before that, I will not announce the test. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Assignment I also given to you earlier. Okay, of this chapter.
Which one, sir?
Please check on the app.
Yes, sir, you gave.
So, who is saying?
What you have given?
Yes, sir, you gave.
Sir, what you have given?
Beta, check the assignment, okay, in the app. What I had given to you earlier. Okay, so there is a conversion 1 centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square, if we convert in meter square, then how it is converted? Okay, in meter square. Okay, we know that in 1 centimeter, there are 1 upon 100 meters. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, who is open this camera again? And we know that 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100 centimeters.
By mistake, my hand came on the camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Meter equals to 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters.
In order to get, listen, in order to get centimeter square, what we are supposed to do? We have to multiply 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter so that we get 1 centimeter square. Okay. Okay. As we are doing multiplying the LHS part. Okay. So we have to also multiply the RHS part also. Okay. So 1 upon 100 meter into 1 upon 100 meter. Okay. Then what will come? It will come 1 upon how many zeros?
1000.
2 zeros here and 2 zeros here.
Sir,
Okay.
4 zeros. Sir, it will be 4 zeros.
4 zeros. And
It will be 4 zeros.
4 zeros. Okay, very good. And what will be the unit? Meter or
1
meter square?
upon 10,000. So it will be
Sir, 1 upon
it will be a square meter.
1
Very
upon
good.
10,000.
Okay, so
So it will be a square meter.
okay, so
Meter square.
in 1 centimeter square, how many meter squares are there? 1 upon 10,000 meter squares are present. Okay, so class,
Yes, sir.
we start doing practice. Okay, I'm telling you, such type of numericals will definitely come in the test in the form of either true false, in the
Okay,
form
sir.
of either true.
We have to do, sir, what we have to do? We have to multiply 100 and 100.
Yes, beta, just now, because centimeter square. How come we are multiplying centimeter 2 times? As we are multiplying it 2 times on the LHS, so as we are doing in LHS, so we have to also do in RHS also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please.
Sir, what is LHS? Sir, what is LHS?
Beta, you didn't listen it in mathematics, left hand side and right hand side.
Okay, sir. Okay, right, I am.
Okay, so please, first of all, the very first thing is that start reading the chapter carefully. Okay, that is conversion. Mainly the physics stands for numerical. Okay, listen this. Physics means numericals. You have to do numerical. There is no way to escape from the numericals. Okay. Yes, students. Have you ever seen a graph paper?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is behind the practical notebook.
It's a paper which
Yes, sir.
shapes like
There's a
math.
green color and it is at the end of the practical notebook.
Different colors are there.
Yes,
Okay, not necessarily green or okay. So what you observed in graph paper?
Sir, it is having small boxes and it is mainly green color or light yellow.
Any
Sir,
color?
and we have to write numerical boxes in green color or black color.
Okay,
What is graph paper?
different colors are there. Okay.
What is graph paper?
I am telling you, graph paper is basically a paper, okay, in which there are small vertical lines, okay, horizontal lines, and there are squares, okay.
Yes, sir.
Squares are there, okay, and
You have to make in a graph paper.
no, beta, just listen to me. What I am trying to say you. So this is important that all the lines, all the horizontal lines and vertical lines, which are forming the square, they are of same dimensions. Okay, let's say this line to this line is 1 centimeter, and this line to this line is 1 centimeter. So Rashid Ali, again you open the camera and I again write your name.
My phone is very early.
Okay,
Sorry.
I write your name.
Sorry. My phone is very much hanging. Very much.
Okay. Be cautious from the next time, okay? Okay. So you see, length is 1 centimeter and breadth is also 1 centimeter. So what will be the area? Yes, fast. Who will tell me?
Sir, can I tell?
Well,
I can multiply.
Yes, what will be the area?
2. Sir, 2.
No, it's not 2.
Why we have to multiply 1. So 1 ones are 1. Sir, 4.
No, beta.
So what
Yes.
is the question? I'm not understanding.
Sir, 2 centimeters.
No, beta. Okay, tell me one thing.
Sir, 2 and 2.
No, beta.
2 centimeters.
I am telling you, wait.
10 centimeters.
No, beta. Suppose that you have a eraser, okay?
Okay, sir.
Its length is 1 centimeter, okay? Its breadth is 1 centimeter again, okay? So in order to find out the area, what we have to do?
The length into breadth.
We do length into breadth.
Length
Okay.
into breadth and
So
we'll get
for-
answer.
Listen.
Sir, to find area, we do length into breadth.
We do 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter.
Sir, 1 centimeter.
Centimeter.
Beta, listen to me first.
Sir, 1
Listen.
centimeter.
Should I speak or you speaking? Speak yourself. So length is 1 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So in order to find out the area, the procedure is multiply the length and breadth. So we are multiplying the length and breadth. Okay. So 1 we multiply 1 into 1. What will the answer?
2.
1 into 1 is 2. How come?
Sorry,
Yes, only 1. Is it clear? But it is not correct. Why it is not correct? Because I am not wrote centimeter square. I have
Yes, sir.
to written
Yes, sir.
centimeter square. It is a must condition. Okay. If I wrote only 1 centimeter, then it will also incorrect. If I wrote only 1, then it is again incorrect. If I write 1 centimeter square, then only it will correct.
Sir, I want to ask you.
Yes, beta, please.
For kilometer also we will write kilometer square.
Beta, listen one thing. I'm telling it. Okay. For any and
Why is not coming, sir?
For any area calculation. Okay, whatever be the unit you are using, whatever be the unit.
Sir, no.
Listen to me first. Listen to me first. Listen to me first. Whatever be the unit.
What is this?
Like centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, whatever be the unit, there should be meter square. There should be square there. Okay, you have to put square there. Unit means whatever you have to choose in the unit. Over that you have to write square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is necessary. This is a must thing.
Sir.
Remember this thing for area.
Sir, if we will not write square and meter, then the answer
will 100%, 200% wrong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because earlier.
Sir, because the units are important.
Beta, earlier also when I start this chapter and I said this magnitude and units, they are those two different things.
Yes,
and
are the units.
And this is very important to mention both. If you are going to market and purchase some potatoes, say you are going to purchase 3 kg potatoes and you said to vendor, please give me 3. So what he's asking, what is 3? Either 300 grams you want, either 3 kgs you want. So it is necessary to mention the unit also. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please tell me what is the use of graph paper?
Okay, I am continuing the same topic. What is the use of graph paper? Okay.
Sir.
Basically, suppose you know that bodies are of 2 types, regular or irregular. Regular means having fixed dimensions. Okay, like square, rectangle. Okay. Okay, and no fixed dimensions.
Yes.
Sir, can you tell again because your voice is not clear. Sir, can you tell again? Your voice is not coming.
Okay. Go to page number 29. Okay. See there.
Yes, sir.
Regular and irregular body. If you want to calculate the areas of regular body and irregular body, there are a procedure. Okay. You have a formula for calculating the areas of regular body. But if you want to calculate the area of irregular body, for example, if you calculate how much area your palm occupies, okay, this you have to calculate. Okay.
We will use squares.
You will use graph paper. If
you
want to calculate the area occupied by your palm. Okay, as it is irregular, we have to use graph paper. Okay, listen,
yes,
this thing. listen this thing. It is not, we can also use graph paper for calculating the area of a regular body also. Okay,
Yes.
remember
Yes,
this thing also. Okay, and for irregular body, it is necessary to use graph.
Sir, what? Sir, what you are saying?
I am saying that for calculating the area of an irregular body, for example, you want to calculate the area of your palm, of your hand. Okay. What you have to do? You have to take graph paper.
Sir, first we have to take graph paper, then put on the graph paper, then we have to draw a palm on that.
Okay. Take the graph paper. Okay.
Sir, we have to take in a graph paper and we have to put
Sir
up
is explaining. What is a graph paper? Sir is explaining just.
Okay. This is suppose your graph paper and you put your hand here. Okay. Whatever the irregular object you are having, you put it here.
And E or anything.
Whatever the any object. Okay. Whose
Okay,
shape is
sir.
not fixed. So for that, what you have to do, how you will calculate the areas? How to calculate
By counting its squares.
Very
By
good.
counting its squares.
By counting squares.
Its squares.
Okay. And what is the procedure of counting the squares? Okay.
The square in it we will count it. And the half
Okay.
square we will
Listen to
make
me.
it.
Listen to me. First, you have to count complete squares. Complete squares you have to count. Is it clear?
Yes.
And then you have to.
It's a half square, so we have to count that one also.
Which one, beta?
In that graph there is we have make hand, then there is half square, so we will take that also square.
I am telling you now. I am
Then we
telling
will
you. Wait
take
for a
half
second.
and half, then it will be 1
Beta,
centimeter.
listen to me. First you count the complete square. This is done. This is okay. Up to here.
Yes, sir.
For counting the incomplete square, what is the way? The way is that you have to count those squares which are taking more than half inside the shape. Okay, which are more than half. You have to calculate more than half square. Okay, if it is this, suppose this thing is taking more than half. This square is more than, only this part is vacant. So this part occupies more than a half a square. Then this way you have to count the squares. Okay. So
if we have to do a hand, so we have to take a half hand to count the squares.
So because you take a graph paper and put your palm over it, okay, and just draw a line so that your position of hand will come on the graph. Okay, then remove your hand and start counting the squares. Okay, so number of complete. So what will be the area? Area will be number of complete squares.
Complete squares.
And as you are also adding and you are also counting the number of squares which are more than half. So you have to add the number of squares which are more than half. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
total squares will come out. Total squares comes out. Okay. And whatever you are using the unit, centimeter, meter, then you multiply this and remember to put a square over the unit. Okay. Remember this thing in physics. Remember this thing in physics and mathematics. If your answer is correct, okay, this is a compulsory. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your answer is correct and you didn't write down the unit. 101% your marks will be
wrong.
Yes, sir. Our marks would be cut if we will not write the
101%. 101% will show for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So beta, start preparing from chapter number 1 for the test.
Okay,
physics,
sir.
sir? Physics.
Yes, beta, this is your physics.
Then you will take
Why should I say anything for other subjects?
of question will come?
No, sir. I was thinking of any other.
Yes, beta. Yes, who is saying something about
What
question?
types of question will come?
Beta, such as it had come in chemistry. Fill in the blanks.
Yes, sir.
True, false.
Use one word
Okay.
in the
One
blank.
word. Okay. Please.
Answers?
One word questions will be there.
Yes, sir.
And please remember this thing. Physics stands for numericals. So go for numericals.
Okay, sir.
And
Yes,
math,
sir. Okay, sir.
and
In that we
calculation.
have to use graph paper also?
No, beta. There is no question of
Okay.
graph. Okay.
Yes, it is. The question is in second chapter, not in first chapter.
Okay. So only remember first chapter, read it carefully. Okay. Especially about the properties. Okay, characteristics. The table is there on page number 13 about properties of solid, liquid, and gases. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And how to distinguish between solid, liquid, and gases. These things. And remember chapter number 2. Okay. That conversion I'm saying, and please, if you are very much, if you are smart, then you will understand my hint. Okay. Calculations will definitely come.
Okay.
Conversion will definitely come. Okay. So remember the table 2.1 on page number 19.
Sir, if you will tell everything, then all of us will get full marks.
Beta, I'm not getting your voice. Please speak a little louder.
Best.
Sir,
We
if
try
you
for
tell
20 marks.
everything that will come, then everybody will get full marks. So you need to just,
So you
If
have to make it in our graph paper.
Beta, there will be no question for graph paper.
Is it of negative marking?
Yes, beta. This time, in this I have some conditions, some instruction will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Especially for boys, spelling, I will deduct marks if anyone write wrong spelling, because I am very lenient in marking chemistry test. Okay. Boys are very much not serious. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
Beta, listen.
Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
That is confusing for most of the students. How to convert bigger to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger unit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
So tell me one thing very fast. What is decameter? How many decameter makes? How many meters make one decameter?
Sir, what is saying?
I am saying that
Sir,
how many
100.
No, beta.
Sir, what are you saying?
decameter. Sir, 1 decameter.
How many decameter makes meter?
100.
Beta,
10 meter. Sir,
beta, see page.
sir,
How many meters make decameter?
Yes.
100 meters, sir. 100
It
meter.
is written here on page number 9.
100 meter.
They are not asking hectometer.
Sir, on the screen something is written.
Beta, it is written on page number 19. I am asking decameter, not hectometer.
Sir, 1/10